hottest DJ mixing the beats. Beats. Mixing the beats.
Broadcasting around the world on the World Wide Web. This is your number one internet radio station. Broadcasting around the world. This is your number one internet radio station. The music you love right here, right now.
You are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
Ngena kanjalo ku last hour yethu lapha na sidonsa ingoma emnandi buya lapha na ku DJ Mbuso ethi put your loving arms. If usanda ngena ke you are tuned into Focus Online Radio uhleli nosakhile sakhe ngwenye well known as Mr Sound of Soul. Umfana nje onganankinga born and brought wakhona la ekhaya eFolkrust. Sinibingeleleke kuzo zonke indawo la kufikela khona umsakazo iVOR. Sinibingeleleke eDoxa Pixlika Isaka Semo uhlukana kwa sinibingelele eDagakral sinibingelele ePertekop sinibingelele eVastrom sinibingelele eAmasfort sinibingelele eFolkrust sinibingelele nakhona la ekhaya eVukuzakhe.
Around me and you whisper to me when you put your loving arms around me and inside your arms I'm burning. Put your loving arms around me.
Sesingena ke kwi last hour yethu yohlelo la sizoyibamba khona lapha na 9:30 sizobuka ke istory ehamba phambili, but before sibuka istory ehamba phambili sizongena lapha yana kwi thought of the day with umzwakhe wakaManana, but siqedela ke ingoma yakhe uDJ Mbuso lapha yana masiphuma engomeni sizongena kuyo ke thought of the day. Hlala ke nathi ke la emsakazweni iVOR sizonipha ama updates ahlukahlukene, sizonipha ama top stories nako konke okunye.
Inside your arms I'm burning, yeah, burning. Oh yeah.
Sibuka ehamba phambili lapha enkundleni zokuxhumana eSouth Africa ibheke phansi siyabona wonke umuntu ukhala ngokuboshwa kwaMsholozi, but stay tuned sisazokulethela zonke ke lezo indaba, sikulethele nokuthi kuqhubakalani umsholozi ke ngobe lapha phakathi sashiyo ukuthi cha uyaqhubeka nokuzilwela. Let's ngene lapha ku thought of the day with umzwakhe wakaManana uthi ngibikelele msakazi. Thought of the day namhlanje ku thought of the day ngikuphethela umlayezo uthi your future is more powerful than your past. We give life to our history or past by keeping on talking about it, which results to it holding us back. God deals with our history in a different and a loving manner. You will again have compassion on us. You will tread our sins underfoot and hurl all our inequalities into the depths of the seas. Ngathi usikhothela ke iBhayibheli laphayana elitholakala encwadini yakaMikha 7 ivesi elika-19. Sibonga ke mzwakhe ngokuthi usiphe umlayezo omnandi kangaka namhlanje kulesihlanu. iFriday ke namhlanje ngesikhulume ke izinto eziningi, sizonipha ama top stories, sinipha ama announcement lapha nalapha bese sinibulala nje ngengoma up until 9:30. If you are just tuned in, you are tuned into Focus Online Radio. Uhleli noSakhi ke, uSakhile well known as Mr. Sounds of Soul. Happy Friday nje, asenjoyeni umculo, kushanga le ngoma lezi ezasikhulisa ke, lezi ezasenza abantu, lezi esasenza sathanda umculo. Wordless people, minority in terms of thoughts. Iphumela phayana Sithole ingoma emnandi kakhulu ebuya lapha ku-Wordless People bethi Minority in Terms of Thought. It was compiled by late DJ Kabzela bekuyi-volume 2 yeMinkonko. It's one of those tracks, even if you can align it nicely in your set namanje, people will go crazy. Umculo onganayo expiring dates. That's the kind of music we must play for the people. Umculo ozoba memories, umculo ozohlala ukhona, umculo ozothi noma udlala after 5 years you still feel it, uzo enjoy. Kodwa ngasikho lapho ngaphandle kokusho isikhathi ke sizongena kunasiki isimemezelo esiphuthumayo futhi esidinga bonke abantu base Dr. Pixley ka Isaka Sema ukuhlukana kwayo in all 5 units 11 watts. Ngicela ke nilalele kahle la. Abasandral sewakhiphileke ama-tender forms akhishwa i-main contractor, i-Via Roads Maintenance and Civils. Bakhiphileke laphayana ama-tender document a-grade 1 package 1 up until grade 1 package 5. Bakhipha-ke grade 2 package 1 up until grade 2 package 3. Base-ke bakhipha-ke grade 3 no grade 4. If uke wena usoma business wakhona la ekhaya Dr. Pixley Kaseme and unesifiso sokwenza ibusiness nayo iVia ngoba izosilungisela umgwaqo national road N11. Into ekumele uyenze CVOR, we do have those forms. Ungasithinta ku WhatsApp yethu ku 0664708362 and request a form. Neke einkundleni zethu zokuxhumana lapha ku Facebook we will share a link with all these tender documents. Make sure ukuthi mangabe ukwazi ukufika internet cafe, you go to Focus Online Radio Facebook page and then bese ke uya checka on the latest updates lapho you will see la sikhuluma khona ukuthi abantu ke abanesifiso sokwenza ibusiness neVia Roads Maintenance and Civils bangaya download la ama application form and then sizonika ke email la ekubese sekumele mase niwagcwalisile niwamikise khona due to iCovid-19. Angazi ke sisazozo kahle sithole lapha eofficeini ukuthi kuvumelekile yini ukuthi mase nifilile le form leli ukuthi ni submit ngesandla nakho nalapha nemahhovisi wabo alapha edrobheni abakwaVia. Sizoyithola lento leyo ukuhamba kosuku sizonipa futhi ama updates into esingayisho nje ifuso ama business othandayo futhi ukwenza ibusiness neVia Roads and Maintenance. Hlala uthi ne lapha yana einkundleni zethu zokuxhumana ku Focus Online Radio page or uze ngapha ke egroupini ka WhatsApp yayo futhi iVOR. If you just tuned in, you're tuned into iFocus Online Radio. Ilo kumlayezo besilethela wona namhlanje. Hlala nje lapha epage lethu sizonipa all the details about our forms. Sizoshare futhi nokuthi if you need a alternative copy angakwazi ukudownloada la sizokuthumelela khona, sizoshare number ozoxhumana nayo via WhatsApp and then uyitholele iform.
In your face, all over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station.
Sengoma mnandi ke buya laphayana ku DJ Sbu. It's a reason. I think there is a reason for everything that we see now la eSouth Africa. Yize ke sididekile sizakhamuzi zase South Africa ukuthi yini le yenzakalayo but abantu abakhona internally they know exactly what is happening. Yonke le confusion esibonayo konke lokho sikubonayo kwenzeka nje but I think there are people aba aware ukuthi kwezakalana. Sitholeke ingoma emnandi phana bekuthi DJ Sbu ethi for the reason. If ukhona ke laphana ekhasini lethu la ka WhatsApp sesiwasherile ke ama-tender document from package 1 grade 1 up until package 1 package 5 khona la grade 1 kwase sekuba grade 2 kwaba khona package 1 up until 3 grade 3 kuphume eyodwa and then grade 4 kwaphuma futhi i-advert eyodwa. Ngisicela bonke ke abosomabhizinisi bala ekhaya abathanda ukwenza i-business with i-via roads maintenance and civils ukuthi ke cha bayibukele ama-document bese bafaka ke izinto zabo zonke esifanele bese bayofaka lapha kuze kuphela ibidder ebhide kahle izo appointwa. Lapha yana kuma top stories namhlanje masithi siyangena sibona lapha yana ukuthi Ace Magashule suspended African National Congress where ANC Secretary General is seen in court ahead of corruption trial for the former South African President Jacob Zuma at Pietermaritzburg High Court in Pietermaritzburg, South Africa namhlanje ke kusho ukuthi Ace Magashule ke ulindeleke naye ukuthi namhlanje ayobukana nenkantolo. But the matter between Ace Magashule versus the ANC is back to the High Court in Johannesburg. The court is on Friday expected to hand over the judgment in Magashule's bid to overturn his suspension. Kusho ukuthi ke uyabuyela ke lapha enkantolo la ayoyilwela khona phela mayelana nokuhoxiswa kwakhe eqenjini. So he argues the suspension and is unconstitutional and unlawful. Kusho ukuthi ke uhoxiswa kwakhe akukho ku constitution yesizwe futhi ke akukho emthethweni. Sizokuqhubeka ke sinipha ama headlines on what is happening in South Africa. This is one of our top story. Magashule judgment expected on Friday okunamhlanje. If you're just tuned in, you're tuned into Focus Online Radio. Uhleli naye kusakhile sakhe ingwenya umfana ongenasimanga. Can phonic ngokutshela history ngale ngoma was in Soweto 2006.
Another place, I wanna leave it all. wanna fly away. I just wanna fly, fly away. I just wanna fly far away. I just wanna fly far away. I just wanna fly away. I just wanna fly, fly away. I just wanna fly away. I just wanna fly, fly away. I just wanna fly far away. I just wanna fly far away, away, away,
I saw by Ken Phonic featuring Umpo ethi Fly Away. I remember ke mangifika eSoweto, I was a DJ already. Besadlala ngama computer. I remember I was the first DJ Vukuzakhe to play live for the crowd endaweni ekuyijabulisa. It was Saturday back then. Mangifika eSoweto, and then I meet Eddie Access. And then I meet the late Temba DJ, and then I meet Dr. Mbai. Yeah, and then Maufiga, and then they took me to their house, Maufiga Lapa, and then they start playing records. It was the first time Boniva Nali. And I asked them, what is this? No, real DJs use this. No, I'm a DJ too, but in a computer. No, real DJ use this. Now you must start practicing this. And then that's when I learned to play with Ivainali. In the middle of the year, washona uThemba DJ, who was really my mentor. Sesidlala laphana endaweni sister bahlale Soweto bayazi eDlamini 1 bekunendawo kuthiwa sister lapho. Uthando lami lomculo kwalakhula kakhulu lapho. And the first vinyl umamkhulu wami, I remember masihamba siya eJoburg, afika ngithengela lona bekuyilo la Ken Phonic, Fly Away. So it's one of my favorite tune engithanda futhi kakhulu ngendlela esimanga. If you're just tuned in, you're tuned into the 4Cross Online Radio. Ake siqhubeke nama top stories wethu thiwa laphayana endaweni yaseGauteng, SAPS ready to rumble. Kusho ukuthi nje mangabe usuka live uCross or usuka noma ikuphi Dr. Pisla sebebhekise eGauteng nemoto yakho, hlale wazi ke ukuthi abakazidlodlo abadlali. But the SAPS in Gauteng plans to intensify police operation in the province. This is the province that Top Brasso is set to get COVID-19 jabs as part of the rollout for the officers. Kodwa ke abhizi lapha emgaqweni qikelela ke nawe ukuthi izinto zakho zonke zomgwaqo uyigcinile, izinto zakho zonke ezikuvumela ukuthi ube sendleleni uyiphethe. If you're just tuned in, you're tuned into 4Cross Online Radio. Sakwamukela sizokhulumisana ke lapha ya nomfoko amahlikihliki. There is an issue going on, but asazi ngesiniphu usuku ukuthi sizokhulumisana nani nomfoko amahlikihliki ole ndaweni esemakhaya. Kunendaba ke athi usiphethele yona ke afisayo ukuthi azosithulela yona la emsakazweni. Ulesihlanu ke namhlanje sishilo ukuthi ngeke siloku sinibulala kakhulu ngengevu nje, sizonipha nje umculo omnandi. This is one of the classic song, kodwa namanje noma ungayithinta hayi, the crowd will go insane.
Mixing the beats.
You are listening to Full Thrust Online Radio.
Fistas Mixwell, title of the song, This Is Goodbye. But I remember there's an original artist for this song. So I'll check out compilation. Fistas just compiled this song. If you're just tuned in, you're tuned into Focus Online Radio. Impela kubuya ngathi izakhamuza South Africa nakwezinye ke indawo singathi nje mhlawumbe half we South Africa impela awuphathekanga kahle ngesinqumo esithathiwe against former president Jacob Zuma, because what siyabona laphayana on our top stories we have laphayana article ethi protest block N2 freeway near KwaDukuza. The chaos was on N2 freeway near KwaDukuza toll plaza in KwaZulu-Natal. People blocked the road. Isizathu sabo sokuthi bavimbe lo yamgwaqo. They appear to be protesting against the imprisonment of the former president Jacob Zuma. Traffic in both direction was disrupted. Nabona ukuthi cha hayi abantu abaphathekile neze kahle. If you're just tuned in, you're tuned into iFocus Online Radio. Siqhubeka nje siloku snipha iDore ehamba phambili namhlanje kulesihlanu. Hlala nathi ke uthi ne if ke ngabe ican driver lwangabe sizonipha ama updates ukuthi ziwapi kuphi kwenzakalani nejabulisa kuphi ningabantu baseseme as a whole kunani kuphi, kodwa ke ngoba iCountry valiwe kuhle ngempela ukuthi cha umuntu nomuntu akayigcine nje iphephile sicoshele lo COVID up until umongameli aphinde azivulele. Sizongena ke la sithi ukudayisa kancane nayi Devon Spitz ayasinokhela laphayana sizofaka yona sifake KFC and then masibuya ke sizobe sesinipha umculo up until 9 o'clock.
The team scored a clear victory with the Debonairs Creme Decker today.
And lots of support there from the sides. And Malume always with a mouthful.
Oh, Bantwana getting schooled by the old and adults. What inside?
The keeper's eyes clearly not on the board.
But still on the prize. With 3 layers and a cheese griller filled crust, you'll need a team to finish the Creme Decker. Now for only $169.90. And we deliver Mahara. Debonairs Pizza. Try something
KFC's
amazing.
new Zinger Nuggets let you bring a little heat. Whenever, wherever.
Really? Like when you're binging on a show?
Whenever, wherever. Or you riding real low. Whenever, wherever. In a Zoom, on a June, turning up under the moon. Bring a little heat. On a quest to find some meaning. Whenever, wherever. Or an adventure while you screaming. Whenever, wherever. So treat yourself to something nice. Because for $29.90, you can bring a little heat. Whenever, wherever.
The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
You are listening to
Volkswagen Online Radio.
The #1 hit music station.
In your face, all over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station. In your face, all over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station. The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
Best music.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
Set your mind free. Set your mind free. Yeah. Live your dreams. Live your dreams and Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you will achieve. Set your mind free. Live your dreams and you
All is well, 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 well.
Shake it up, Zanti!
Bet your life on me alive.
Vodacom is giving you lots of ways to shake and win your share of over 100 million rand in prizes. Move to summer. Move to SA's leading network.
You are listening to Volkswagen Online Radio.
The number one hit music station.
In your face, all over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station.
are eligible to vote if you are a South African citizen, registered to vote, at least 18 years old, in possession of a green barcoded ID book, smart ID card, or temporary identity certificate. Government encourages all South Africans, especially young and first-time voters, to exercise their democratic right to vote and move our country forward.
Mixing the beats. In your face, all over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station.
You are listening to Volksrust Online Radio.
Yemolo langa shona, yemolo molo molo bo. Yemolo langa shona, yemolo bo. Sengbala mahora, algela shona. Katis kwa masami sengumbuleka. Bala mahora, algela shona. Katis kwa masami sengumbuleka. Mina nyahamba. Yahamba Yulali bonene sengumbuleka Yangumbulungambi Yulali bonene sengumbuleka Yamala langa shona Yamala matota la shona bo Yamala langa shona Yamala matota la shona bo Umtwalo sapo weniwe matota Nami namhlangeng lalela umthwalo sopho weniwe madoda walile namhlangeng lalela ikhumbula ngami madoda ikhumbula lawini madoda ikhumbula ngami madoda ikhumbula lawini madoda sengibala mahora aliyela shona kathi kwa masami sengikhumbuleka Bala mahora, algela shona Tatis kwa masami sengumbuleka Mina nyahamba, nyahamba Yulali bonene sengumbuleka Yangumbulungambi Yulali bonene sengumbuleka Wenduna Bingcela ukuthi ngikhulumele nomphatho mkhulu Wenduna Bengicela longishoneleze lo baba mkhulu Ngicela ungidedele makushaya uthwalofu Funa uyoqala ngokupakisha umthwalo Cela usheshe ukuthi angibekele ihlalo